Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. I'm Kathleen Gracie Reyes, 34 years old, from Barangay 14, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. My father's name is Reynaldo Reyes and my mother's name is Josephine Reyes. I have one sister. My religion is Catholic. I am a high school graduate. I will work as domestic helper here in the Philippines for 4 years. I serve 4 family members, 2 adults, 1 children, and 1 baby.
Why do you intend to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money for my family.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities is household chores and go to the market.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
How did you take good care of children and young baby?
I take good care and for give milk if she's crying, or I will give our medicine if she is sick.
Your message to your prospective employers.
To all the prospective employers in Hong Kong, please hire me as your domestic helper.